Billy, that's Marley's bed. Get out. Get him, Marley. Get your bed back. Get it. Go get him. Go get him. I can't help. I'll help in a minute. Okay. Mommy, help. There, you gonna share? Marley. Yay! Marley got his bed back. Yay! Hey, get back in your bed. You got your bone. Let me see. Come here, bury it in here. Marley, bury it in your bed. In your bed. What do you have? What? Bury it right here. Marley. Look. Marley. Okay. Sorry, guys. It was cute at first. Where'd they go? Okay. Oh. Bye.